Hello, welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We have a wide selection of over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot, just like this one here today. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this, which is going to be more than 50 still pictures of this on our website, and a full description of everything that's on this vehicle, all the upfit work we've done to it, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival 2019 Ram 5500 heavy duty with an 11-foot service body on the back, guys. This is the Redding Classic 2 service body, so it's going to have one of the top of the line boxes on this truck, with a bunch of features that are built into that bed. We'll get into them when we get back there. Starting on the front, you're going to notice we did upgrade to the real nice chrome, very stout, brand new front end Ram front end in general. Really nice Ram logo, stout right there. Large tow hooks located in the front. 19.5 inch rims, wrapped in obviously a very aggressive Continental, great for hauling all the heavy loads you need to haul tires. 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel. This is certified clean diesel, clean idle, which is a really nice feature to have when it comes to diesel trucks. And like I said, this is the Classic 2 service body. It's got A60 coating, or coated galvanized steel, corrosion resistant, stainless steel paddle latches. I mean, it's a really nice bed. Redding definitely does a really good job when it comes to this. So you're going to notice you have your 3 large doors, and then you have your 1 smaller door located right here. It runs horizontal. Inside every door, you're going to have LED lighting located right here, which is an option. Trays in every door, with divider pins. For every one of these trays, every one of these slits, there's a divider pin. That way you can keep all your boxes organized throughout. Really nice feature to have. Painted rear bumper. Oversized rear hitch with your 7-pin hookup located right there. LED lighting in the bed right there in the very front, as you can see. And I believe I did mention this is the 11-foot service body. Also inside of these doors, really nice is hinges right here. Those are always seem to be a problem, but not this brand in general, but some of these cheaper hinges. Really heavy duty hinge, shuts and opens very nicely. Really nice feature to have. Guys, with these 5500s, we have them in stock. They're ready for delivery. Just like this one here today. This one, it is for stock. So this is not just an empty chassis. We actually do have it on the ground, ready for delivery, along with about 15 other 5500s at the moment. So we are ready to deliver these to your business. We ship nationwide. So no matter where you're at in the country, if you need this 5500, I can usually have it to your place of operation in about a week. That includes doing the paperwork and having it delivered out there, wherever you may be across the country. Power side mirrors, as you can see located right here, power windows and power locks. Also, one thing I didn't mention that is a huge feature is this Redding box. It does have the LED lights I told you about, but it does have the remote control system where you can lock them, all the boxes, just by a push of the button. So not only is your key fob wireless, you also do have the box locks also that are located right on the separate key fob. Ram work grade vinyl seating, very nice, not hard at all, but they're again very, very durable. Automatic overhead headlights that are located right down here. Up here you are going to have your hands control or hands-free feature right here. So the top 2 buttons right there on this side of the steering wheel, left hand side, you can program your phone directly into this radio. You no longer have to worry about reaching for your phone while it's ringing while you're driving down the road. Simply just hit the phone button and you can have the conversation directly through your speaker system. Great feature to have. Right under that, these 4 buttons right here, these are going to operate your instrument cluster located between your RPM gauge, your miles per hour gauge. It's going to show you a bunch of different stuff, whether it's your range, your miles till empty, your trip, trailer tow informations, what radio station you may be on. It'll show you your speed. It'll show you a bunch of stuff that's built into that cluster. Really nice feature to have when you're pulling down the road. You just need to figure out what's going on with your truck. Over on the right hand side, you have all your cruise control features, and then under that you have the option of changing your gear while driving if you need to. Like I said, this is a push button start, push button stop and start. Automatic 4-wheel drive by a push of the button, same with the low feature. Touchscreen radio, so you have AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio all at your fingertips. You do have a free subscription considering this truck is brand new to the Sirius XM radio. Media capabilities, you do have a compass that's built in there directly into your radio, and that is a touchscreen radio. Knobs to operate your volume and your radio station right here. Under that, you have these 3 buttons here that operate your cruise control, not your cruise control, I'm sorry, your climate control right here. There's your speed, your temperature, and where you want the air to come out of. Factory trailer tow brake, 5 auxiliary switches located right here, with the 6th one being a PTO. Really nice feature to have. Plug-ins down here, whether it's for your USB 12 or 115 AC plug right there. And as you can see, we do have the vinyl seating or the vinyl floor throughout, so makes it really nice when you're cleaning it. Simply get the hose out, power washer out, and spray her down. Cup holders right here, center armrest with center console located in there. This can also be flipped up into make it a 6-passenger truck if needed. With it being that crew cab, you do have that extremely spacious, large back seat for up to 3 people. And then you're going to have your storage located underneath that for small stuff if you need it. Still vinyl flooring throughout, so easy to clean. It does also have child safety hooks located on the 2 outside seats here. So if you do have them car seats, you can definitely snap them in safely and securely. And guys, this is an extremely nice, hard truck to find, especially when it comes to it already being upfitted. Not too many dealers want to upfit it. Some of them are going to tell you we can have it to you in a couple weeks, 3 weeks, 2 weeks. I've heard 8 weeks. I got 15 of them on the ground. We're not scared to stock them. We do stock them because we understand your time is your money. And we want to get you back in a truck as fast as possible because they are your livelihood. We understand that. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. There again, guys, if you want to see all the full description of the specific truck and over 50 pictures of it inside and out, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all the new arrivals just like this one here today as soon as it hits the lot. And for the guaranteed best price on any heavy-duty truck nationwide, and guys, we ship nationwide also. Keep that in mind. We ship nationwide. Make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.